welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Monica. I do makeup tutorials, reviews, vlogs, or pretty much whatever I can think of. Since it's prom season, I thought I'd do this makeup look for you guys. And if you are interested in seeing how I created this look, please keep on watching. To save us some time, I already did my face off camera, so let's get on with the eyeshadow. I'm using Soft Ochre by MAC. As always, you can use whatever primer that works for you or that you love. I'm gonna be applying that all over my lid. I'm gonna be taking the shade Saddle from MAC and just apply it on my crease as my transition color. And I'm gonna bring this up a little bit up to my brow bones. Before I move on to the next eyeshadow, I'm gonna be applying a little bit of translucent powder under my eyes. That way, if there's any fallouts, it's gonna be easy for us to remove it. Next eyeshadow that I'm gonna be using is this eyeshadow right here. I bought this from the Face Shop. You can also use Brown Script by MAC. Any reddish brown color would work. I'm just gonna apply this again on top of the transition color that we applied earlier. This one, I'm gonna be focusing more on the hollows of my eyes. To deepen my outer corners, I'm gonna be using Embark by MAC, and I'm gonna be focusing this color on my outer V. Use the same fluffy brush that we used earlier to kind of blend everything together. I'm gonna use Colourpop's Birthday Cake eyeshadow on the lid. It's this nice pinky champagne color. And I'm just gonna use my fingers with this. If you guys wanna make this look more dramatic, you can definitely add more black on the outer corners and add a thick wing. But since it's prom, I thought I'd make it nice and simple and sweet. Also, you can change up the eyeshadow colors depending on what you are wearing. Next eyeshadow that I'm gonna be taking is Nylon by MAC. I'm just gonna pop this on the inner corners. And I'm just using a clean brush to soften the inner corner highlights because we don't want the eyeshadow to look too intense. Next is eyeliner. I'm gonna be using Inglot's number 77 gel liner. For this look, I'm just gonna create a small wing. I don't want anything too dramatic. And the reason why I'm applying eyeliner, it's because when I apply my lashes later, I don't want you to see the bands. I'm gonna be taking this eyeshadow again and apply this on my lower lash. And I'm taking the shade Embark and just apply it on the outer corner of my lower lash. For lashes today, I'm gonna be using Ardell lashes in Demi Wispies. We can now dust off the translucent powder under the eyes. For my highlight, I'm using this Wet N Wild MegaGlo highlight. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that on my brow bone and on top of my brows. For my blush today, I'm gonna be taking Milani's Berry Amore blush. Let's move on to the lips. I'm gonna be taking Strip Down by MAC and just outline my lips. I'm gonna pair that with Fenty's Unbutton liquid lipstick. And I'm just gonna use my pinky to blend everything out. Topping it off with Fenty Beauty's Diamond Milk Gloss Bomb. And there you guys have it, our finished look. I hope you enjoyed this fun and easy prom makeup tutorial. And if any of you are recreating this look, please don't forget to tag me on my social media. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Please turn on your notification bell, that way you can be posted every time I upload. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!